You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, stability control, intermittent wipers. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.